Alright, so looked in everywhere for Lee's, my wife. Mickey's, Phil. She likes Mickey, so maybe she's in there. Let's go check. So cool. Nice. Standing next to Mickey. Take a photo of that. So we're in Mickey's PhilharMagic. I have a funny feeling Donald's going to be involved in this somehow.
Hello everyone, it's me, Minnie Mouse.
Okay.
Today, we're very proud to present Mickey Mouse conducting the PhilharMagic Orchestra.
Okay.
As soon as Donald and Goofy finish getting everything set up, we'll be all ready for the concert.
Okay.
Oh, I hope you're ready, because it's going to be a very special show.
Is my wife in? Hopefully she's in there. But I don't see Donald anywhere though. Alright, well, hopefully we'll see Donald and my wife. Stay tuned.
Sorry, little feller.
Yeah, I didn't say one man in the box.
Goofy went that way. Now he's over there.
Almost ready. How'd that get unplugged? Well, I'll just plug it back in.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah, that's better.
Ew.
Hello everyone, we ask that you please refrain from eating, drinking, or using flash photography during today's performance.
He's flashing.
Alright, put on your opera glasses because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the PhilharMagic Orchestra.
Yeah.
Mickey, where's Donald? The orchestra's missing it. It's showtime.
Showtime? Well, I gotta open the curtains. Goofy, we're not ready. What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey. Donald, wake up! It's showtime. Don't forget the orchestra. And I have to.
Uh-oh.
It is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, Sherry, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. One by one, sing love to sing passion
What's Flounder doing?
Cool.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's-its and what's-its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. When's it my turn? When I'm out to explore that shore above. Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part of your. Be the main event like a king was before. I'm pushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my roar.
Thus far, rather uninspiring thing.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Everybody look left, everybody look right. Everywhere you look, I'm standing side by side. You tell me that it's red, ay mi amor, ay mi amor. Where should I put my shoes, ay mi amor, ay mi amor. You say, put them around, ay mi amor, ay mi amor.
I'm nodding and I'm yesing. Now come to dance a that I'm only un poco loco.
That you made me, it is just un poco crazy. The sense that you're not making.
The liberties you're taking leaves my body so shaky.
Here we go. Time to start. I can show you the world, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, that's where we'll be, a thrilling chase,
Wondrous place for you and me.
Way in the back. It's almost stuck in the wall. Now that's Donald for you.
I sure hope you like the show, everybody. Oh, on the way out, please put your opera glass.
Well, I didn't see Elise, or maybe she followed Donald in the wall. What do you think?
Magical thing.
Hard one for the air.